Hello, David here, and the project for today is adding shielding gas to my Lincoln Electric Pro MIG 175 MIG Welder. And the reason why I'm adding shielding gas is because I'm switching over from the 35 thousandths flux core wire to a 25 thousandths solid core wire. So the flux core has flux in the core that shields the weld from impurities in the atmosphere. Solid core does not have that, so you need to shield the atmosphere away from the weld so you get a clean weld. So I've got this bottle of gas, and I had a choice to rent or buy, and I think the rent was about $15 a month. I don't weld that often, so I decided to buy the bottle. And that wasn't cheap. This bottle, along with the gas, cost me $372. It won't cost so much when I need to refill because I already own the bottle. But this is a mix of 75% argon and 25% carbon dioxide. It's not flammable, it's inert. However, you have to be really careful it doesn't fall over and break the top off, because then it becomes a rocket, could kill somebody. So that's why they all have these protective covers on them. Looks like that. So I'll be putting my regulator on the top, and then I'm going to chain it to my cart. And the reason why you chain it is so it doesn't fall over. Okay, I've got the wire installed. I changed the polarity. You got to follow this chart over here. This guide's on the inside of the cover. This is what you use for flux core. And you got to reverse these two leads over here when you're using gas and solid core wire. And then there's a guide here for where to start your initial settings with different thicknesses of sheet metal here, the gas, the size of the wire. So this side is the tank pressure gauge. It's not adjustable. Just open it up all the way. Shows you how much pressure is in the tank. This side is the flow meter, and you want it about 20 cubic feet per hour, which is the red setting, and that is adjustable with this, and you adjust it with the trigger pulled on your MIG gun. Looks like I burned a hole in it. I'll drop the voltage a little bit. There's a lot of popping going on. I'm going to up the voltage to B where it was recommended and try another line. The weld does look cleaner. Now blew another hole. Was I moving too slow? I don't know. So I moved faster over there and I got a better weld. Yeah, I'm satisfied with that. I think it's a lot better than when I first started. I got a lot of great comments from you guys, giving me some constructive criticism. And I think I've come a long way. I still consider myself a beginner. I did make that engine support bar when I changed the oil pan gasket on my Ford Contour, if you remember that video. And that held the weight of the engine. So I think I'm progressing. I want to thank you guys and gals for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more great videos from David GPO.